Imagine a world where yes and no exist at the exact same time. In our daily lives, logic is a straight line, a door is either open or shut. But in the realm of quantum computing, the door is open, shut, and everything in between. Today, we're looking at the machine that thinks without following a single rule of classical logic. Classical computers, like the one in your pocket, use bits, tiny switches that are either 0 or 1. To solve a maze, a bit tries every path one by one. It's logical, but slow. Enter the qubit. Thanks to a phenomenon called superposition, a quantum computer doesn't choose a path, it becomes the maze. It processes every possibility simultaneously. It doesn't think through the problem. It simply exists in the solution.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
There's entanglement, what Albert Einstein famously called spooky action at a distance. In classical logic, two separate objects shouldn't affect each other instantly. But in quantum land, if you tickle one qubit, its partner reacts halfway across the universe. This isn't logic, it's a cosmic connection that allows these machines to share information instantaneously, creating a computing power that scales exponentially rather than linearly. Why does this illogical thinking matter? Because nature isn't binary. Modern medicine, climate modeling, and material science are too complex for zeros and ones. Research published in Nature shows that quantum processors can simulate molecular bonds that would take a supercomputer 10,000 years to crack. By mimicking the chaotic, non-linear way the universe actually works, we aren't just building faster computers, we're building a new way to perceive reality. We are currently in the NISQ Era, noisy intermediate-scale quantum. These machines are still sensitive. A tiny bit of heat or a stray vibration can ruin the thought. But as companies like IBM and Google push the boundaries of quantum supremacy, the gap between impossible and done is shrinking every day. We are teaching machines to stop thinking like us and start thinking like the universe. The future isn't binary, it's quantum. But here's the big question for you. If a computer can find the answer without following logic, would you trust it to make big decisions for humanity? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.